Hello friends, what's happening? My name is Fahad from Mr. Skillful. On this channel I'm going to show you different skills which you can learn including card magic, photo editing, video editing and much more. This video is about card magic. I'm going to show you a very simple but effective trick. It is very basic and beginner level card trick, so anybody can learn this. If you are a beginner, so you can start from this trick. If you like this trick, make sure to like this video and share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my channel and learn different skills with me. First I will show you the performance of this trick and then the tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the performance. Welcome to the performance of this card trick. First I am going to give these cards some shuffles and then we will start the trick. So let's shuffle the cards. If I had a spectator, I would ask him to pick any three of a kind from this card deck, but as I have no spectator, so I am going to pick it by myself. It's a free choice for your spectator. Your spectator can choose any three of a kind. Here I am going to choose three aces, ace of hearts, ace of clubs, and the ace of, let me find it. Yes, yeah, the ace of diamonds. I'm going to use these three cards for the performance. The choices may be different, they are not supposed to be fixed, but I'm going to use three of a kind aces. You can have three spectators and let them choose what they want. So we will put these cards on the table like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate some cards from the deck and put them in front of each card. So I'm going to choose these cards, these in front of one and pretty much the same in front of the other. This and let me count. Yeah, done. I will put rest of the cards on the side. I will use them later. Now I'll pick this card and put it on this deck, and I'll put as many cards as I want on that deck, and I'll do the same for this card and that my card on that, and put this card on this deck and put the rest of the cards on the top of it. You can ask your spectator to put any amount of cards, and then I'm going to put these decks on one another like this. Now I'm going to give this deck some cuts like this, and here the real trick begins. I'm going to put one card face up and the other card face down. The moment your card comes here on face up cards, I will stop the trick. It means the trick is ruined. So I'm keep going like this. Keep an eye on the face up cards. The moment your spectator card are there, the trick is stopped. The trick is ruined. So far so good. I will keep going like that. Okay, let's go again. A few cards are left. Yes guys, as you can see, 3 cards are left and these 3 cards are your selection. So you saw the trick, hope you enjoy it. Let's jump into the tutorial. So this is the tutorial of the trick. I have 3 aces which I have separated from the deck. Now let's start the tutorial. What I am going to do here is I am going to put them face down like this, and now here's the tricky part. I am going to separate counted cards in the packs of 3. 14 cards first I am going to separate, like counting like 3 3 3 3 9 and 12 and 14 cards. I'm going to put 14 cards in front of the first card and then 15 cards in front of the second, like yeah, 15 like this, and again 15 in front of the third card. Like this. Yeah, 15. I'm going to put them. Now what you are going to do is you are asking your spectator to put the card in front of each deck, like this card on the top of this deck, like that, and then steal as many cards as he wants from the other deck on the top of that deck. It doesn't matter, he can get as many cards as he wants. Now we will do the same like that. Your spectator can pick literally as many cards from this deck and put on the top of this deck. He can put the whole deck and put it on the top of this deck, and then this card will come on the top of this. It will not change the trick will work anyway. So now we will put this card on that and put the rest of the pile on the top of this deck. This is important. The rest of the pile should go on the top of the last card, and then we will take each pile and put them on the other pile, like this and this and this. So now your card is somewhere in the pile. Now we are going to cut the deck like this. This is basically a false cut. A false cut means that the order of the cards will not change. We will swivel it like this. This is called a swivel cut. We will do this, and then we will hold it with our other hand like this. Then we will tap the other deck and place it on the table, and place the rest pile on the deck. We will do it again. First the swivel cut, then tap, and then the rest of pile on the table. If we do it in the speed like this, the spectator will never know what you have done. Now this part of the trick is completely self-working. You are going to put one card face up and the other face down. One face up and the other face down. Simply like this. You are going to say to your spectator that when your card is in the face up card, you are going to say stop. When you say stop, the trick is ruined. This will confuse your spectator, and you will keep doing this like that until the cards run out. When you complete one round of cards, you will keep asking your spectator that is your card in the face up card, and he will keep saying no. So when cards run out, you will start it again until the cards are completely over. And finally few cards are left. We are going to do the same. So 3 cards are here, and these are the selections. So this was a completely self-working part, a pretty easy trick, and you can do it with your friends, share with your friends and confuse them completely. It gets amazing reaction, and it is pretty basic, so you can perform it anywhere, but make sure you put first face up cards and then face down cards in sequence. Hope you like this video, hope you like this trick. If you did, like the video and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. That was it for today, so I'll meet you in the next video. Peace.